PiNetwork is increasingly solidifying its presence in the cryptocurrency world, setting its sights on Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and Binance Coin as the most followed digital assets. This trend underscores that PiNetwork is not just another blockchain project, but a serious contender in the global crypto market. A leading blockchain expert has recently predicted that the price of Pi coin could reach $3.14 in the near future, highlighting its significant growth potential. This forecast is based on a combination of factors including an expanding user base, increasing adoption, and continuous innovation within the PiNetwork ecosystem. PiNetwork has gained immense traction, boasting over 60 million verified users worldwide. This strong and growing community is a key factor that could drive the future value of Pi coin, providing it with a solid foundation for mainstream adoption. Unlike many other digital assets that rely on speculation, PiNetwork is actively building an ecosystem where its currency can be used for real-world transactions, making it a unique player in the industry. The growing acceptance of Pi as a legitimate payment method further reinforces its potential. More businesses and merchants are beginning to accept Pi for transactions, demonstrating real-world utility that many cryptocurrencies struggle to achieve. Additionally, PiNetwork has developed a technological framework that is more accessible to everyday users compared to Bitcoin. While Bitcoin relies on an energy-intensive proof-of-work mechanism, PiNetwork employs a more user-friendly consensus model, allowing for more efficient and sustainable mining. Despite its rapid growth, the question remains, can PiNetwork truly rival Bitcoin, Doge, and BNB? Bitcoin continues to dominate the market as the most valuable cryptocurrency, while Doge and BNB have established strong communities and substantial market presence. However, PiNetwork's exponential growth and strong user engagement indicate that it has the potential to become a major player in the industry. If the price prediction of $3.14 materializes, it could mark the beginning of even greater value appreciation, particularly if PiNetwork successfully launches on open exchanges with a well-developed ecosystem. The trajectory of PiCoin will largely depend on the execution of its roadmap, the continued expansion of its ecosystem, and the sustained support of its vast community. As PiNetwork continues to evolve, its potential to reshape the digital finance landscape is becoming increasingly evident. Its community-driven approach, combined with an emphasis on usability and real-world applications, sets it apart from many other blockchain projects. With strategic development and continued adoption, PiCoin could emerge as one of the most influential cryptocurrencies of the future. What do you think about PiNetwork's future? Could it genuinely challenge Bitcoin, Doge, and BNB? Share your thoughts as the crypto world watches this project unfold.